Hi all. So today's video we will be talking about the PySpark series day 7. This I already posted in the LinkedIn and you will get some kind of clarification while we are going through these recordings. Okay. So the first thing will be, do you have a data set? This you when you think about these kind of question, definitely you need to be practice. Then only you will get kind of comfortable when you become attending the interviews. So you can see here, first one will be customer. We have a two kind of data set. It's like a when we practicing, we are having a very small amount of data set. Customer orders and product details. Okay, from this one you can able to understand like that. First one contain the customer order table and what are the orders customer place. This is the product. Okay, then a dataset containing the following column: order ID, customer ID, order date, total amount. And the product details table contain the dataset contain the column like product ID and a product name, product price. So you can see here, I'm just adding this column also here, but we need to be like a we need to add one more column because you can see here those two things are two different. There is nothing we cannot with the combine. Okay, so yeah. So first one will be calculate the total revenue generated by all the orders. This is a kind of a simple one, right? Total orders, total order, total revenue generated for all the orders. This is a simple question like a sum of total amount in this data set will give you the total revenue. Okay, so I will show you how you can write like this that one. First thing, definitely from PySpark.sql import Spark session, and from PySpark.sql function import columns, then Spark, creating a Spark session dot builder dot app name. So I'm just given like a name like order product analysis get or create. Then loading the data set like order details like one is the order ID, then C1 is the customer ID C101, and this is the date. Okay, and the total amount. In the below also you can see like C1, this is the one, and the C2 and C3. So this is the order data. Okay, order data. Then we compare to the schema also we define like order ID, customer ID, order date, total amount. Then you can see here order date is equal to spark dot create data frame, order data, and the order column. When you pass in this one, it will be creating a data set. So I'm just adding like a it will be easy because if you have this is another data set, so we don't need to consider right now. And I'm just given like order dot this orders orders underscore df dot show. Okay, so you will get complete idea what are the things it will be available there. It's like whatever the data that we have that we just displaying, that's it. Then we have one more table we already discussed about product data. One product A, and this is the product A and the item. Okay, for example, you can see here price, and product B, there's price. So these kind of data set also we created, and this is the product underscore DF. The first question will be you can total revenue generated for all the orders. Okay, it is a simple one. Total revenue equal to, I'm just increasing the size. You want to control? Yes. I just want to only run this column itself. So it will be running. Okay. So you can see here total revenue equal to order dot df. This contains complete order. Select expression of sum of the total amount as total revenue dot collect of this one and the total revenue. Okay, so when you run this one, what will happen? It will be getting the sum of all the details in this page itself. That is the best thing we can do here. Okay, the second thing will be, you can see the question will be find the top 5 orders with the highest total revenue. So from here in this one, we need to be sort out based on the total amount. then we need to retrieve the every data. So that is the one they are expecting from here. So top order equal to orders DF, order by column total amount descending, because highest to lowest descending, and limit equal to 5. Then top orders equal to dot show. I'm telling again, top orders equal to order dot DF, order by column, which column, based on the total amount descending, DAC descending, and limit equal to 5. Top orders dot show. It will be written the complete item. That is the one thing we can expect from the day 7. Okay, so I will adding this one for your future purpose also. You can use this one. Thank you.